Good afternoon, this is Jeremy Cervantes with Sewerline Check Professionals. I'm here at 17194 Avenida De La Herradura in the Pacific Palisades area, in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line for Tom and Holly Monzo. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that are underneath or interior to the structure. Today's video examination is not focused on the building drain line system. However, a further evaluation of the building drain line system is desired. A licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. Now, currently we are sitting about 115 feet in from where I accessed the main sewer line, which was a 3-inch cleanout located in the brick area of the backside of the structure in the backyard on the right-hand side, just to the right of the sliding glass doors. It was underneath some potted plants. We accessed that and we pushed through about 74 feet of building drainage and then continued on out to the public sewer. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull off the public sewer right now and backwards to the upper end of the sewer line, where I'll be recommending a 4-inch cleanout to be installed so that proper maintenance can be performed on the clay section of the piping materials, and standard access is granted at the upper end of the sewer line, because over 100 feet of sewer line is being utilized here. And there should be a clean out for every 100 feet. And having one at the front of the property is going to be best for that. Well, pulling off here, there's some buildup along the clay piping. Now, your clay piping materials are slated to have a long service life. They're a natural material, so they're not intended to deteriorate underground like some of the metal pipings or concrete pipings may. However, this piping material is a bit more brittle in nature and has a higher potential of being cracked or damaged during any significant seismic activity. Once again, I believe this is just a mucky buildup on the inner wall of the pipe. Nothing to be concerned about, maybe having it cleaned, but it's not really deemed necessary. It's not affecting the flow of the system here. Now, right here we are entering the plastic portion of the piping, and I cannot see clearly. I'd have to have a camera coming up the other side, but it appears as though this pipe was just shoved into the 6-inch lateral coming off the sewer. I can't see if it was properly sealed down, but I'm not seeing any roots or anything at this connection, but it is something to watch and monitor. We are now into the plastic piping. Your plastic piping is slated to have a long service life. It has a very smooth inner surface so that it allows for high washout capabilities and deters from blockages and buildups along the inner walls of the pipe. push back forward at about the 74-foot marker. Here is where we actually exit the structure. So what we're seeing from here back is building drain line. It's not the focus of our investigation today, but as a courtesy, I could make some comments on it. The rest of the building drain line system is all plastic. Looks to be fairly good condition, with some buildup and muck along the sides of the walls, but everything seemed to be flowing pretty well. Here is our clean out access that was used. You can see it's just to the left of the living room window and the sliding glass doors here, underneath some potted plants. Let's see this cap here. Alright, so with that, I will be concluding the video portion of the examination. Please do refer to the written report for all final findings and recommendations. Thank you very much. This is Jeremy with Sewer Line Check Professionals.